How to fix cast device not showing in Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. After that, tap on the Play Store application and search for Google Chrome. So make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome application on a device. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version. So I'm going to go back and then make a long press on Google Chrome application and then tap on App Info. Now it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, tap on App Permissions and then tap on all the options and make sure that you give it that access to all these options. After that, if this does not solve your issue, you can just tap or make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.